Want to know the biggest lie in business right now? There's an app for that, because here's what actually happens. There's 12 apps for that, and you end up paying for all of them. I know because I've been there. Let me show you what I learned. This is what an average business looks like right now. 3 different project management tools, 4 marketing platforms, 2 CRM systems, multiple communication apps, countless essential tools that seemed like a good idea at the time, and every single one, a monthly subscription per user, scaling up as you grow. Might start off kind of cheap at first because it's just a couple of you, maybe one of you, but then it scales rapidly and then just goes bonkers. Here's where this hits home. When I started Project Kingmaker, I fell into the same trap. I was subscribing to everything that promised to revolutionize my workflow until I looked at my expenses one day and I had a wake-up call. But here's the real problem. It wasn't just burning money. It was burning time, it was burning focus, it was burning energy. So I made a radical decision. Instead of adding more tools, I started looking for one tool that could do most of what I needed. And that's when I found Go High Level. It's one platform that handles pretty much everything. CRM, email marketing, SMS, landing pages, automation, forms, scheduling, pipeline management, social media. It's pretty much your call center as well. It's kind of insane what they threw in there. It's 90% of what I need, all in one place, all talking to each other. I don't have to hop off one platform to go to another. I don't have to try to piece them together somehow using Zapier or something. It just all works together seamlessly. But I didn't stop there. For the remaining 10%, I built automation tools that aggregate AI capabilities using N8N and various AI tool aggregators. Why? Because I refused to manage 15 different AI subscriptions. I refused to juggle multiple logins. I refused to waste time switching between tools. Here's my actual framework. Number 1, my core platform, it's Go High Level. Now, this wasn't sponsored by Go High Level, so just so you know, I just wanted to share this with you. It handles 90% of my business operations. It's so nice to just have one platform to manage all of it. And I just have to click around and get the information I want or build a tool or workflow just within High Level to do what I need it to do. And then number 2, custom AI aggregators all run in N8N. It fills the remaining gaps. It automates repetitive tasks and it keeps everything in one place. Also, it gives me the freedom to create workflows on the fly using these different AI aggregator tools. And then for project management, I use Clickup. And guess what? It's tied into my workflows seamlessly and allows me to manage my tasks way better than ever. I used to use things like Notion and Evernote to do it, and it just didn't seem to work. Using Clickup has been an absolute godsend because it's able to tie into my Go High Level and my N8N, and I can create tasks and projects without even touching the app itself. Now listen, I've never audited any other business, but I've worked with enough brands to see this pattern everywhere. Too many tools, too many subscriptions, too much complexity, and, well, too little return. And the solution isn't more tools. It's the right tools working together. So here's your reality. Every new tool you add, it's a new learning curve, new monthly costs, new integration headache, and a new point of failure. The question isn't, what else should I add? The question is, how much can I consolidate? Want to learn how to build lean, profitable systems? Take our brand archetype quiz. It's the first step in understanding how to build a business that actually works. If you want to try Go High Level for yourself or do a demo with me, just click on the link below and we'll get you squared away. Your system awaits.